And they won for Best Director, who happened to be James Frawley, who was a new young guy in town. He grew up to direct the original Muppets movie and win several awards in his career. So this is how he got started. And you'll see some similarities between the four guys and the Muppets, right? They're all kind of just characters having fun. So just to let you know who I am, as John was happy to say, I was a television writer for many years. I wrote on Beverly Hills 90210, a show called Picket Fences, which I adored but was canceled in its third season. And I spent a long time on Touched by an Angel. I did a documentary for ABC News Nightline, which was based on the American Legion Boys Nation group. In their 50th anniversary year from 1963, they had all met President John Kennedy. And in 1993, Bill Clinton, who was one of them, was president of the United States. And they had a reunion at the White House. And so I got to meet with them and interview them about their life and what they had lived through.